Hello guys, welcome to you all in this new JavaScript useful snippet series. So in this series we are gonna basically talk about some shortcodes which is useful in your JavaScript development. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go down below and subscribe it right now. So you will get notification whenever I'll upload a new episode in this series. Now let's get started. So in this episode we are gonna talk about snippet called difference. So this snippet will be used if you wanted to get a difference between two array, and in result it will return difference values of array. So if you have entered like two array with multiple records, and in result you will get a record which is different or which is unique between two array. Now let's see and let's create a snippet. So for that, first of all, I'm gonna create a constant called difference, and it will be a function. So in the both parameter, in first parameter I'll have a one array, and in second parameter I'll have another array. So first parameter will be a function, will be an array which will be used to differentiate with second array. Now in a difference function, I'm gonna first create a set of second array. So it is just a web API of array to create a set. Right now and I'm gonna to just store it in comparing set, and create a constant of it, right? And now in return I'm gonna just filter my first array, and in filter I'm gonna like check, I'm gonna use array function which is has to check if it is contained my current value in comparing set or not. So if it is if it is containing in my comparing set, then it won't return, otherwise it will return into my difference array. Okay, now the snippet is done. So let's pass some value and check a result. So for that I'm gonna first create a constant called result, and in that constant I'm gonna call difference function and pass two arrays in parameter. First array will have 1 2 3, and second array will have 1 2 4. So if you now let me just do a console of result. Okay, okay, so here if you see in the result I have a 3 in my array. Now if I enter a 4 or 5 into my first array, then you will see 5 is also including my result. So here with this you can see like whatever value are is not in my first array, sorry, in my second array from a first array, so it will be written in my result. So this snippet will be useful whenever you wanted to check it, whenever you wanted to get difference between two array. So thank you very much guys to watch this episode, and please hit like button if you found it informative, as well as share with your friends and colleagues, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, so I will upload a new more and more episode like this.